Types of pronouns. Personal pronoun. These are the most commonly used pronoun. They refer to the speaker, we, me, I, us, etc. The listener, you, your. The third person. Example, he, him, she, her, they, etc. Possessive pronoun. When a pronoun shows that something belongs to someone, it is called possessive pronoun. For example, mine, his, hers, yours, ours, etc. Reflexive pronouns. It is used when we add self or selves to a personal pronoun. For example, herself, yourself, itself, himself, myself, ourself, etc. Interrogative pronouns. These are the pronouns which are used to ask questions for the person or a thing. For example, who, which, whom, whose, etc. Demonstrative pronouns. These are the pronouns that point to an object or place. They show the position of a thing or a place. For example, this, that, these, that, those, etc. Indefinite pronoun. Pronouns that do not refer to any person or thing in specific are called indefinite pronouns. For example, someone, none, several, any, etc. Reciprocal pronoun. Pronoun that both performs and receive the action are reciprocal pronouns. For example, each other and one another. Types of pronouns. There are 8 types of pronoun. Personal pronoun. Example, I, we, me, us, you, yours, he, him, she, her, they, etc. Number 2. Reflexive pronoun. Example, herself, yourself, itself, himself, ourself, themself, etc. Number 3 is possessive pronoun. Examples, mine, hers, his, yours, ours, etc. Number 4, interrogative pronoun. Example, who, whom, which, whose, etc. Number 5. Indefinite pronoun. Examples: someone, none, several, any, etc. Number 6. Demonstrative pronoun. Example: these, that, those, etc. Number 7. Relative pronoun. Example: which, who, that, etc. Number 8. Reciprocal pronoun. Example: each other, one another. Thank you for watching. My Facebook page is Anisha's Creative Life.